This is our next video lecture regarding chapter Surface Chemistry. In this lecture, we will discuss collide around us and its application. So, we left last lecture by this question that check it out that it is a collide or a emulsion. Which is collide, which is emulsion? Hope you guys get the answer. So, have a look of it. That all these things are the colloidal basically, and we have this is a gas in a liquid, then liquid in a liquid, then we have a solid in a liquid. Milk is a emulsion of fat and oil, so this is your emulsion. Now liquid form is an emulsion. This is solid forms, gas in solid, this is a liquid in solid. So basically emulsion is a part of a collide. Even we can say emulsion is also a collide, but it is a type of a collide, that it is a liquid in liquid type in which dispersed phase and dispersion medium both are liquids. So this gel, this is solid in liquid. So I will say this is a gel, this is a hair gel which normally boys use, or we can say this is a wax. So this thing is a type of collide which is solid in liquid, but this left hand side is your milk, it is a emulsion. So moving to our next topic, collide around us. So as we know that I told you earlier that there are collide everywhere. For example, first good example or a first example of collide in our life is the blue color of sky. The atmosphere around us is also called a sky. It has a dust particles and water droplets suspended in air. So these are of colloidal size particles, and when light strike on them they scatter the light and a blue light which reflect our eyes. So this is the reason that why sky looks blue to us. Another example is your fog, mist and rain. These all things are just simply the colloidal. As we have studied in a type of collides, that fog collide which leads to the accidents, which is because of this is also, you can say, this is type of fog which is because of the colloidal nature. Dust particles suspended in air and get trap the visibility area and block the visibility area, it leads to the accident. So these also are a collide. So basically we can say that blue color of sky is because of colloidal nature, and fog, mist, rain all are the example of collide. Now next is your artificial rain. The tiny droplets of water in clouds are electrically charged, and in any cloud all such particles carry some charge, and acid rain can be caused by spraying the oppositely charged dust particles or a sand like AgI, silver iodide, by the planes, so that they spray by the help of aeroplane. This is what happens actually. Silver iodide with the help of plane is targeted on the clouds, and then the silver iodide which is of the opposite charge of particles in that of the clouds and will form the precipitation. And now because of carrying a charge on them they are too heavy, so the ice crystals fall off them and rain take place. Next example is formation of delta. So delta formation is also just example of the collide. We have a sea, there the clay particles are there, and the clay particles contain charges which is positive charge in sea water, and there is negatively charged particles that are sand and clay. So we can say that in sea the water contains positive charge and the clay particles are negatively charged. And when they meet the clay particles and the positive ion of a sea, the neutralization will take place and the delta formation will be there. So next example is blood. We know that blood is a good example of collide. Even soil is a good example of collide. The next is your food articles. The food articles like butter, cheese, curd, ice cream, juices, all things are the just example of collide. This is what these all are the things which we use in our daily life, in which makes our life delicious. This ice cream, all these things are just examples of collide. So like these gels and foams, emulsions, this whole solution, so this is just a collide. So now moving to next, that is application of collide. So application of collide means where the collides are useful. So first is Cottle precipitator. Now this is a precipitator which is used in industries as well as in kitchens. We say electrical chimney. What is the function of this? That we have a negative chamber which carry a negative chamber, like it will act as an anode, it will act as a cathode, and when we can say it will act as a negative, it will anode, it will cathode, and when the charged particle, collide particle passed in it which carry a colloidal charge smoke which pass inside, then the oppositely charged particle adsorb on the opposite electrode. For example, if colloidal particles are negative, they adsorb on the positive rod, and when they are positive, they trap on the negative, and the adsorption of this particle take place, and after that the removal of fresh air will go from this side to the atmosphere, which will prevent the pollution to take place. Next is the application of collide is your sewage disposal, which we have studied in the last lecture also, that ultrafiltration method. The sewage disposal also consists of dust particles and mud which get charged also, and by using the oppositely charged materials we use electrical method and many more methods to remove the colloidal particle from the sewage disposal and try to make the water fresh for useful again. The next is example is of purification of river or lakes for domestic industry is just an example of a colloids. Even the bleeding from a fresh cut can be stopped with sometime we get a cut on our skin, and you can see that we in old days people use fatkari, that is potash alum. So that potash alum is used because it is carry a positively charged ions, and it neutralizes the negatively charged RBCs which are present in our blood, and because of neutralization, this neutralization, the blood clot and the bleeding will stop. So this is a good example of a colloidal in our life. Next is electroplating of rubber. Rubber electroplating is also done with the help of colloids. In tanning, the tanning of a leather, the leather get tanned and get hard, as we know that the animal hides are used for the manufacturing of leather, so the coagulation occur on the leather and the process is just a hardening of a leather. We discussed clean reaction of soap and detergent also in earlier lecture. This is also a good example of a colloid in our life. Then photographic plate is also a good example of a colloids in our life, and the industrial products, as I said, all the things we use, for example paints, rubber, lubricants, ink, etc., are colloidal in nature. This is something we can say that. So in last, by sum up with this chapter surface chemistry, I can say that colloids, emulsions, adsorption, absorption, all these things makes our life easy and happy and tasty. So hope you guys like this video. Thank you.